Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 of my first week back to the university. So I started with second year of my program and I'll be following few courses for the next 2 months and then I'll start with my second internship. So the courses have started and they are partly online and partly on campus. So I like to call them fusion classes. And most of the universities in Netherlands have started and the education has resumed, but it is mostly online. And only if you have group work or discussions or presentations, then we go to the campus. And also if you have some practicals to do. So this is how it is for my courses as well. So they are partly online and partly on campus. And today also we have one of these fusion classes. So in the morning I'll be having online lectures and in the afternoon I have to go to the university. So I thought that I'll take you guys along with me and show you how a typical day in my life looks like and how are these fusion classes working out for me. So let's start the day. Now I'm quickly going to freshen up and get ready for my online classes. And yes, before I forget, I was recently on Harnoor's channel where I talked about my journey to the Netherlands, scholarship, my life here in the Netherlands. So if you would like to check out this small conversation video podcast, then please follow the link below in the description and don't forget to check out his channel.
1 hour later.
So the breakfast is ready. I am going to have eggs, bread and milk and I'm quickly going to get back to my lectures. When I was in India, I never used to have breakfast. मुझे आदत नहीं थी, but since I have moved here, I make sure that I have breakfast every day. And I think because you're a student, full day बहुत hectic होता है. Sometimes you skip your lunch या you don't have enough for your lunch. So it's better that you always have breakfast. And जब से मैं आई हूँ, I have started having Milo because यहाँ पे बोर्नविटा मिलता नहीं है. When I was in India, I used to have Bournvita, but now I have Milo here and it's nice. I'm liking it.
यहाँ पे बोर्नविटा मिलता नहीं है.
So the first lecture is done. Now I have 3 more lectures and then I have to head back to the university. So because of the corona crisis, now we have lectures in the morning and practicals in the afternoon, but we don't have to go to the university every day. So most of the time we are trying to do lectures online from home as much as possible, but there are certain things like for now we are learning bioinformatics and working with R. So we really have to be on campus to learn those things. We have to practically perform some of the analysis. So we go to the university only for the practicals and we do the learning part, understanding all of it from home. So the first lecture is done and now we have 10 minutes break and we'll start again with the rest of the lectures. Going to have lunch now. I cooked extra yesterday because I knew that I won't be getting extra time for cooking. So I'll have lunch, and while having lunch I usually watch videos from my favorite YouTubers. So Peter McKinnon, Ali Abdal, these are some of my favorite YouTubers. So I watch their videos. So I'll have lunch and I'll head to the university. So I'm already on my way to the university. I left a bit early because I didn't want to be late. So since I've moved to this new place, I'm not still sure about the routes. I'm still trying to remember them. So it's better that I leave early and I'm not late for the classes. So this is the study area and used to be so full that you could hardly find a place to sit here. Okay, so now we are doing the analysis. We are working with R and it's so boring. I'm not liking it and we have a very big assignment to do. So I just got out, took a small coffee break and now I'm going to go back to doing the analysis.
Later.
So I'm done for the day. The lectures are done. It was a very long busy day and it's 6:30 in the evening and now I'm waiting here for my friends. I'm going to meet them after so long. Since the quarantine we didn't really get time to meet, or we could not meet each other, but we decided that finally we'll make some time and we'll hang out together today in the evening and I'm going to spend some time with. We are going to talk. We have so many things to talk about and so many things to discuss. I'm really looking forward to meeting them and they'll be joining me here soon. I would have loved to vlog with them, but they're really camera shy and I respect their privacy, so I won't be doing that. So I'll spend some time with them and when I go back I'll talk to you guys again.
8:01 p.m.
So it was really nice meeting my friends again. Now I'm going to go back home and I'll talk to you guys later. My dinner and now I really want to study, go through my notes, revise what I learned today, but I'm really tired and I don't feel like studying. So for now I'm not going to start right away with my studies. I think I'll upload all these videos and start editing the vlog. Also have to make a poster, so we have poster presentation next week, so I have a rough layout in my mind and I have to make the poster yet. So I was thinking maybe I could make a in-depth video about poster presentation and share with you guys my ideas or some tips, or just share with you how I make the poster, but I'm not really sure whether it will be a good idea for video. But if you guys would like to see a in-depth video on poster presentation, then please let me know in the comments below and I'll surely try to make the video then. Also, it was really nice to go back to the university to do classes on campus. I was really happy to see that most of the international students, including some Indian students, were able to come to the Netherlands and start their studies here. I just hope कि India में भी सारी चीज़ें ठीक हो जाए and जो Indian students इस साल नहीं आ पाए या those who are doing their courses online from India itself, I hope that you can eventually come here. So I hope that things get to normal and students all over the world can start their education smoothly or just like the way it was before. So now I'm going to get back to my editing, making a poster and studying. And thank you for watching this video, and if you like my video then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.